In 7 years, NRB has reduced its greenhouse gases by 27%. And we have no intention of stopping there. Here are some of the actions we've taken already. NRB has built the first wind turbine in an industrial park in Wallonia on its site. This has enabled us to reduce our electricity consumption by 36% since May 2022. In concrete terms, that is the equivalent of 1,270 flights from Brussels to Marrakech and back, or 12,065,000 kilometers by car. NRB has installed 940 photovoltaic panels all over the surface of its roofs. They produce 3% of electricity consumption on the Herstal site. Result of the 100% green energy NRB uses, it produces 39% itself. To reduce the environmental impact of its data centers, NRB has installed cold corridors. This technology makes it possible to cool a limited zone and significantly reduce the air conditioner's energy consumption. But that's not all, because NRB is also taking action in a number of other areas, such as rainwater harvesting, reducing printing, and the installation of LED lighting. By 2030, NRB aims to have reduced its CO2 emissions by 80% compared to 2015. Together, let's take action for a more sustainable future.